And we're back. Oh, people are going to ask what's the pre-spray, and we don't really tell people to pre-spray too much because we've answered the question hundreds of times. But all that is just, what was it, 2 cups of simple green?
It's 4 cups of simple green to about 2.5 gallons of water.
Yeah, he mixed it pretty heavy for this one.
And it's got pH in it, blah, 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 we don't care, because the carpet was trashed. So you got to use pH to clean these dirty carpets, period.
Yeah.
There's always people complaining about pH, but we don't have issues, we don't care what they say.
It's not a super...
Our carpets look good 2 or 3 months later, that's enough for us.
I think it's, if I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's in the 9 range. Simple green is on pH, and a lot of people will use 10 or 12. But it just, it still does it. And it's pretty cheap to use.
This is a fact of life. If you don't use pH, you will not clean these dirty carpets.
High pH.
Yeah, you gotta have some high pH or these things will not come clean. Worry about getting them clean with high pH and then worry about how to get the pH out later. The most important thing is to get them clean first, and the pH, you can straighten that out if you need to. But this is, I'll go ahead and get the rest of the clean now since I got the gist of it.
Now, if you go on our channel, we have a section videos that we like that we've put up there that are helpful videos. There's a video that explains chemistry and carpet cleaning, and you might want to, if you get a chance to watch that, it kind of explains the chemistry behind a lot of this, because although the Oreck's a great machine and the Bonnet does a great job of scrubbing, the chemical is what helps to break the stain loose from the carpet fiber, because there's a chemical bond. And so what we're doing is we're...
Flip the bonnet.
Yeah, you flip the bonnet. We're just breaking the bond of the stain to the carpet fiber. And so if you just cleaned with plain tap water, you'd have to scrub it. It'd take a long time, and you may not get it 100%. But if you spray down a simple cleaning chemical, this is a degreaser. You just put a chemical on there, and it makes it a lot easier.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. We use a degreaser on every carpet. Just get a degreaser and use it. I don't care if you buy it from a carpet cleaning chemical company, or if you just buy it off the shelf at Walmart, it don't matter. Just get a degreaser. If you want to clean carpets, that's how you do it.
All right.
Don't let nobody tell you different. That's a fact.
Okay. Well, it's starting to look a lot better.
It's looking like it's salvaged.
I think there's a piece of glass here.
If it's shining, it could be.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you got to ask yourself, if you ever encounter a carpet that looked like the one we started with today, don't give up. Look how much difference has been made in such a short time.
And if you're thinking about buying a buffer, you got to ask yourself, will the oil carpenter do them? Well, yes, indeed. You can see that right now. That's why we make these videos. Oh yeah, we do sell oil carpenters.
Yeah, check the link in the video description, and you can see these on Amazon. And the price does fluctuate, so.
The nice thing about an orbital machine is it cleans all directions of the fiber.
Hey, get over here real good. This whole area here looks like you didn't touch it very good.
I haven't touched it, it wasn't dirty.
Well, get it just so it all blends in. Get everything so it blends together. Just that way there'll be more. Well, we're getting close to the end of this one.
Real close.
So I believe there will be a video coming up, probably be in a month or so after this one. You'll get to see a pre-vacuum, and we'll probably scrub some more, and then we'll do an extraction. You get to see this carpet getting cleaned.
This carpet will never be perfect.
No.
But it'll be it'll be where someone can come in here and move in. It'll be clean and nice. And that's all that really matters.
Yeah.
Saving the company money that we're doing this for, and we're happy, they're happy, everybody's happy.
Alright, so this is not the final result here. This is just to show that this carpet can be cleaned. It's not going to be It's going to look even better when we finish all the steps on it, but we're not going to do that till after all the maintenance in this place is done, which will probably be a month from now.
Well, typically we don't do free carpets, but they called us while we were over here working anyway and asked us if we could look at one, and we made a deal to try it out. And we've been working all day, and we figured we'll do this and then head home. It's time to order a pizza.
Well, this is a good tip for some of you that are trying to start into a little business like this. What you might want to do is find the dirtiest spot in someone's house, for instance.
Do a demo.
Demo by cleaning that one spot. If they're not sure, they want to hire you, and then they'll see that you can actually clean it.
When they see you do this, from what they started out, they will hire you.
Just don't do the whole house as a demo, because they probably will just say, well, I'll let you know. So, and always get your...
You just heard your last time from them.
And what we do with customers is cash up front.
Yes.
Because we don't like to get everything done and it's all clean, and then
no checks.
and then they're like, well, let me run to the bank, because they're not coming back.
No checks, no debit, no credit, cash.
Yeah.
If you ain't got
Unless
cash,
you have an account with us.
if you can't afford to pay us cash, you can't afford to have your carpets done.
Cash up front, baby.
Up front.
Yeah.
They put it in my hand before I even plug in.
So anyway, I think it's going to be a good result, and I think they're going to be happy because they can save this carpet.
I'm already happy because I know we're going to do another job.
Yeah. Well, basically that's all for this one, so stay tuned for the next videos.